In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to start making hundreds of dollars every single day promoting CPA offers. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see right on my screen right now, so this is a community post on a YouTube channel right here. Okay, and this post is basically asking who is the best dad among these two right here, Peter from Family Guy or Omar from The Simpsons. As you can see under this community post, there is an ad right here that says grab $750 PayPal gift card now. So if I click on this link right here, it's going to bring me to this CPA offer landing page right here. As you can see, 750 PayPal gift card. So basically, once people come over to this page, as you can see, all they just need to do is to answer these first three questions right here. Do you have PayPal? If they click on yes, and the second question here says how old are you? So if you choose your age right here, and now the final question says how many times do you use Facebook per week? And now you are going to type in your name, last name, and email right here. So once the visitors come over here and type in this detail right here, you make $2 on Cpagrip. So I'm going to show you this offer is available on Cpagrip. So as you can see right here, if I refresh this page for those who might be doubting, as you can see, $181 made on this account today. So now you can see this is the offer right here. Okay, so if I open this offer, as you can see right here, act now for 750 PayPal gift card, and you can see this is the link right here that this person is using on the YouTube channel. So if I come over to this page, you can see this is the same link right here. Okay, and this post has gotten over 47,000 votes on it, as you can see right here, with over 300 likes and over 100 comments. And I can guarantee you that at least 5% of people who voted on this question are going to go over to complete this offer right here. You can see this is also another post that is made on this account with over 26,000 votes right here. You can see the question being asked is your favorite movie genre. As you can see right here, the same ad is being posted right here, which is the same CPA offer right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. So basically, all you need is a YouTube channel. As you can see right here, you will need at least 500 subscribers to unlock the community tab features on your YouTube channel. And don't worry, I know it might look like a big deal to a lot of people, but I'm going to show you the fastest way to get 500 subscribers on YouTube, and you can start making those type of community posts and start promoting numerous CPA offers on your account. So the first method to get these subscribers is by coming over to TikTok right here. So once you come over to TikTok, you can see right here, there are popular niches that you can go for and start getting a lot of traffic by downloading these videos and re-uploading them to YouTube and start getting a lot of subscribers on YouTube. One of the most fastest niche to get a lot of followers is the animal niche. So if you click on these animals right here, as you can see, this is a video about cats right here, and this video has almost 180,000 views on it already. If you don't want to come over here, you can just basically come to the search bar and type in something like funny cats. So once you type that on TikTok right here, as you can see, this is another video right here with over 15 million views on this video. So what you want to do from here is simple. You want to click on this video right here, and you want to come over here and copy the link to this video. Then you want to head over to a website called snaptik.app. So once you come over here, you will be able to paste in the link of this TikTok video and download it. So now, as you can see right here, you can download this video right here. So if I open the video, as you can see right here, there's no watermark on this video, as you can see right here. So basically, you can use this website right here to remove watermark from TikTok videos and then you upload them to your YouTube channel. So if you do that consistently every single day, you are going to get a lot of subscribers on your YouTube channel. Once you hit 500 subscribers, all you just need to do is come over to this create section right here, and you will be able to click on this create post right here. So if you click on create post, as you can see right here, all you just need to do is to copy what this channel is already doing right here. So you can just basically type in something simple like this right here. What is your favorite sport? Okay, so once you do that, you can now basically type in add right here, grab a 750 PayPal gift card now, and you want to type in something right here to increase your conversion rate right here, limited to only first 20 people. And now you want to basically come over here and you want to make an image poll. All right, so if you do that right here, all you just need to do is go over to Google. So if you come over here and type in various sports right here, all right, you can see we have soccer, we have basketball, we have tennis, we have baseball. So now you want to go over to a new tab and you want to type in something like soccer image. So all you just need to do is to download this image right here, and then you want to go back to your YouTube. You want to come back here and you want to upload the image you just downloaded. So once you type that right there, and here you want to basically type in soccer right here. Okay, so now the next thing, if we go back to this page, you can see we have basketball right here. So all you just need to do is to copy basketball right here and go to a new tab, and you want to replace this soccer with basketball right here, and you want to click on search. As you can see, you will be able to download this basketball image for free. All you just need to do is click on save to your device. So once you do that, you want to come back to this section right here, and now you want to upload the basketball right here, and you want to type in basketball right here. Okay, so I don't want to prolong this video, so you can basically add as many spots as you like right here. So now if you want to increase it, all you just need to do is click on this add option right here. As you can see, now you can add as many spots as you like on this page right here. So basically, once you've added as many spots as you like, all you just need to do is go back to your Cpagrip account. You can see right here, this offer is going to pay $2 for everyone who converts. As you can see, this is your link right here. So all you just need to do is click on this copy right here, and you want to go back and you want to paste in the link right here. Simple. That is all you need to do right here. And once you're done, all you just need to do is click on post right here, or you can schedule the post whenever you want it to be posted. Okay, it's up to you. Once you click on post, it's going to be posted to your YouTube channel, and you are going to start getting traffic to this CPA offer right here. So basically, that is the first method you can use, and now I'm going to show you a paid method that you can use as well. So all you just need to do is go over to this website called shoutcat.com. This website right here has list of influencers on various social media platforms that you can basically pay some money and they can promote your post on their accounts. So all you just need to do is click on register for free right here. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. So now you want to come over to this section right here, and you want to unfilter all of this. Okay, you want to make sure you select only YouTube right here. All right, so once you select YouTube right here, it's going to show you a list of YouTube channels that you can basically promote your content on their account and start making money. As you can see, this channel right here has over 480,000 subscribers, and they are going to charge you $150 to post on their YouTube channel, as you can see right here. So this is another channel right here with 44,000 subscribers, and you can see they are going to charge just $80 for you to promote your ad on their channel. So basically, if you have the money, you can basically come over and hire these people right here, and you want to make a simple ad like this one right here on their community section. So once they do that, you are going to start getting a lot of traffic to your account. So basically, all you just need is 100 people to complete that offer, and you've already made $200. So basically, that is how you can start using influencers on this platform right here to make money. And I hope you find some value in this video, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.